Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and we got another bad watch face for you all to check out. And yes, people, it is free for the taking. You gotta download this one. This one is more than worthy of being in your lineup, right? So let's go ahead, let's check this one out. Now this one is by JPS. We did a review on JPS watch face the other day. You like that one, but you're gonna love this one, right? The name of the watch face is called Iris 39WF. It's pretty much a weather watch face, but we're going to check that out in a second. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same info as you would when the watch face is on. It's just going to be in a black and white thing, which is going to look really nice, very legible. But let's take a look at this watch face when it's on. Now, looking at this watch face, I like the design. I like the layout of all the information. It definitely has a nice look for a casual watch face. And I got to get a developer 4 thumbs up in the door for the look of this watch face. The guy did an excellent job with this one. Now, what I like about the watch face, first of all, is this battery gauge. I love battery gauges. I love the look of this one. Now, that red dot pretty much represents where you are with your battery percentage, but it also gives you the battery percentage up front as well. And then you get a nice legible digital time with the PM stamp. And I always love when the developer put whether it's AM or allow it to change to PM when PM gets here. A very nice look. And right up under it, you're going to get your month, your date, and the day of the week. Now down at the bottom, this is the meat and potatoes of it all. I love the look of a weather watch face, and I love weather watch faces as well. It's going to work for me considering the type of weather that we're having outside today. And you can look and see we're at 6 degrees and we're steady dropping, people. We should get to 22, 23 below zero. Wind chill factor should be at least 55 and maybe 60 degrees below, people. Yes, it's about to get cold around this piece. And this is going to be your humidity, and down at the bottom, that's your moon phase. But it has shown that when it's sunny, it's going to show sun. I just don't know if it's going to show rain or if it's going to show clouds. We'll find out as the day goes on, as we continue to wear this watch face. But I'm telling you, check this one out in the Gear Manager store. Now look, it has a little temperature gauge too, which I thought was a nice added bonus. But also, what's more important about this watch face is that they allow you to go into your weather, tap on clear, and it brings up the weather. I'm telling you, the developer got down on this one. 4 thumbs up easily. Now we got one more watch face for you all to check out. This one is going to be an analog watch face, which will allow you all to flex throughout the day. All right, with that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Now this one is by Brada. Yes, we did a review on Brada's watch face the other day. You all really loved that one. This one is nice. This one is going to be free though. It's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you download it before free becomes paid. Oh, cool? All right, so the name of this watch face is called Hitoshi Cluster. I really like the look of this simple design. I thought Brada did a really good job with this one. It stands out. It has a nice look to it. Now in the AOD mode, you really going to like the AOD mode. It's going to light up green. The green color is going to differ in shade from the Gear 2 to the Gear 3, but you're still going to get the same information at a glance with no problem. I love the look in the AOD mode. But when the watch face is on, this is a little different from most that I've seen. Now, up at the top, you're going to get your moon phase. You're also going to get the day of the week in the middle, your date right here. Over here, you're going to get your step status info and your heart rate, and you get digital time, so you're going to get the best of both worlds, which is a good look. This is going to be your second hand down at the bottom in that dial, and it doesn't look bad at all. Here's your battery percentage, which I thought was very unique, very nice for a watch face, and it is interactive. So listen, if I want to change the hands, I could change the hands just by simply tapping on both of these, depending on what color I want it. You can set this up to color coordinate with what you're wearing for the day. Now, if you tap at the top of this dial, it's going to bring up your heart rate information. And if you tap down at the bottom, you're going to get your step information, which is cool, right? Because most of you all want to keep up with your step status, which isn't bad at all. But then I could tap right here on the date, and it'll bring up, listen, a favorite, right? So if I need to set a favorite for a shortcut, I can. If I do the same thing here on the time, you get 3 places. Tap down at the bottom. It's going to allow you to do it there too as well, which I thought wasn't a bad look. And double tap in the center, you can change the color theme of the watch face. It really brings it out. If you look in the background, you can see a honeycomb type of look to this watch face, and it gives you options with the colors. I thought this was definitely a good look by Brada so far as the design is concerned. But at the end of the day, it is all about you. What did you think of this watch face. All right, you all, don't forget, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, you all, enjoy your hump day. Have the greatest day ever. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.